Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by inspecting each MAM part for damage and rinsing away milk. Fit the teat, collar, vent, and cap loosely. This allows steam in. Once done, place the assembled bottle upright in the self-sterilizing unit. Add only the water volumes specified by the manufacturer. You're doing this because steam must contact internal surfaces to kill bacteria. Immediate placement prevents recontamination. Make sure the cap is secure, but not over-tightened so pressure vents correctly. You press start and monitor the cycle. Steam will build and sanitize the bottle in about 5 to 10 minutes depending on model. While it runs, avoid opening the lid because interrupting steam lowers effectiveness. Once the indicator signals completion, let the unit sit closed for 2 to 3 minutes to finish condensation and cool slightly. This pause prevents scalding and ensures thorough sterilization. Steam needs that residual time to contact all surfaces inside the teat and bottle neck. You now remove the bottle using sterile tongs or freshly washed hands and dry only the outside. Internal surfaces remain sterile. Place the sealed bottle in a clean storage spot. Use it within 24 hours to minimize contamination. If you notice incomplete sterilization or reduced steam, stop and check the water quantity, power connection, and that seals and vents are not clogged. Then run another full cycle. If problems persist, replace faulty seals or contact support, because consistent steam.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.